Hello and welcome to a showcase of the PACapp. The PACapp is an easy to use mobile wallet. In this video we will show you the wallet on a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The PACapp uses the PACtag to send and receive funds. This eliminates the use of long addresses where you can easily make a mistake. After an easy setup you can browse the app and explore its features. You have the main page with the balance and the latest price movements. The next step is your activity where you can see all the transactions you have done. After that you have the send and receive tab where you can send and request PAC from anyone with a PACtag. Then you have the insight tab with the latest price movements of PAC Global. Also there is a button to go to Volgary where you can directly buy PAC with your credit card. Now back to the app, you go to the main screen, you click on your profile picture and you can see your settings. Under personal you see your mobile number, your email address, and you can see the address linked to your PACapp. Now on the privacy and security you can enable PIN, fingerprint and 2FA to secure your wallet even better. To send and request PAC, go to the P on the bottom and enter the amount of PAC you want to send. I will choose 25 PAC and I will send it to Yandev. It will ask, is this the correct user? Yes, it is. Add a note here for you. Continue. Yes, it is correct. And it will ask if the fee is correct. Yes. And it has been paid. To request PAC, do the exact same thing. 25 PAC. I will request it from Yandev. Is the correct user? Yes. Give me some PAC. And continue. Send request. And the request has been sent. Everything will be shown in your activity log and you can also abort your request if you don't want to ask them for PAC anymore. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.